This is iLamp. I hand build each lamp out of an Apple G4 iMac. I also offer an iLamp kit which includes the materials and video instructions necessary to turn your own G4 iMac into a lamp. In 2007, I designed and built my first iMac aquarium out of a G3 Apple iMac. Since then, I've built hundreds of them and shipped them all over the world. This led to other projects such as iMac aquarium kits, clocks, and now lamps. In 2014, I started designing my iLamp. I spent countless hours pondering and planning every detail. In my mind, I wanted to make something that Steve Jobs may have been proud to have sitting on his desk. My iLamp is unlike any other. The classic pull chain turns on the neutral white LED bulb. The lamp socket, harp, check rings, and finals are polished nickel. The 8-foot braided cloth power cord exits the original power supply port. I've developed a procedure to resurface the base plate, to remove any scratches as well as the unsightly barcoding and lettering surrounding the perimeter of the base plate. Then I sandblast the recessed Apple logo to bring it back to its original look. Even the bottom looks cool with the motherboard in place. And to top it off, there's an Apple USB wall charger installed in the base of the lamp. This way you can charge your iPhone, iPod, or iPad mini directly from the lamp. I can't be happier with the way the iLamp has turned out. The only problem is that G4 iMacs are rare for me to come across, and I have a very limited number of lamps available. For this reason, I've developed an iLamp kit. For the kits, I've modified the design of the lamp so that anyone with common tools and handy skills can build a lamp out of their own G4 iMac. The kit includes the necessary materials and step-by-step video instructions on how to disassemble the iMac, modify the necessary pieces, and rebuild it into a lamp. If you're interested in more details, pictures, or videos, visit my website at www.jakeharms.com.